From the moment I opened the box, it was clear that this is a system designed with intention, not compromise. The SmallRig S70 doesn't present itself as a basic starter kit that expects you to fill in the gaps later. Instead, it arrives as a fully realized, production-ready solution. Every component has its place, neatly arranged and immediately ready for use, reinforcing the sense that this microphone system was built for creators who value efficiency as much as performance. Inside the packaging, I found two ultra-thin transmitters, accompanied by a complete set of dedicated receivers, one for cameras via 3.5 millimeters and one for USB-C devices, ensuring instant compatibility across nearly any modern setup. A compact charging case sits at the center of the system, flanked by furry windscreens for outdoor recording, a USB-C charging cable, a 3.5 millimeter audio adapter, and a discreet carrying bag, all supported by clear, well-organized documentation. Despite its ultra-thin form factor, the S70 feels anything but fragile. The metal body provides structural confidence, while the charging case adds real protection during travel. The buttons are tactile, responsive, and sized just right, not too small, not intrusive. The design isn't just aesthetic, it's functional. It allows the microphone to blend into formal wear, casual clothing, or stage outfits. The optional colored mic covers add another layer of adaptability, especially useful for weddings, film shoots, or wardrobe-specific projects. After extensive use, the SmallRig S70 ultra-thin, invisible wireless microphone has earned a permanent place in my daily workflow. It is one of the rare audio products that delivers both discretion and uncompromising quality. This is not just a wireless mic. It's a professional audio system designed for modern creators who demand clean visuals, reliable performance, and studio-grade sound without complexity.